jump. All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC. We're here at the park having fun. Robert's driving the Sentalion. That one's due for a rebuild, so if anything happens to it today, no big deal. I'm driving the Kraton 8S, and I got an all new power system in it, all Leopard. So this is the basically Max5 rebrand, Leopard Hobby ESC. RC Juice had a sale on it. I think it was like 160, so I couldn't pass it up. And then shout out Chris Anthony, Commander of Stig. This was his motor. He sold it to me. It's a Leopard Hobby. I think it's 5898 1100 kV. So I'm gonna give this system a rip, see what I think about it. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, what pole? Oh, that pole. Okay. Again, it's needs a rebuild, so. Why will it not wheelie? That surprises me. For a big giant motor, it should wheelie. I wonder if I don't have the punch set up high enough. Oh, there we go. All right. Not bad, not bad. All right, so this is the first time I've run anything other than the stock Arrma 160 in this truck. And I can say I like the extra power that it's providing. Because I ran this truck on the 5885 1100 kV. And it was pretty good. But, ooh, you can definitely see there's a little extra juice. Nice. Like it. Very good. Get out of the way. All right, let's do a few jumps, Robert. Into the snow. Back, oh, nice. Learning the throttle control. Beauty. Whoa, I thought I was gonna have to jump over that. All right, let's try to send this thing a little bit harder. Wow. That was awesome. We might need a new N2C chassis after this bash. Woo-wee! Leopard Hobby. Nice.
Look at how much snow's behind it.
Heck yeah. Snow roosts. Woo-wee! I just love that. Don't hit the cars. Nice. Oh, nice. Woo. You know, I've been driving the X-Max a lot, and haven't really driven the Kraton as much. And you know, there's something about a Kraton. It just drives so good. That was a big jump. Oh, we flipped over. That might be the biggest jump I've done with the Kraton. There you go, nice job. Get your hand, yep, go ahead, try it. Oh, that, well, we're done with the Kraton. Snap the arm. All right, well, that was a short run. Not a short run. It was a fun run with the Kraton. Robert had a little tumble there, and
Yeah, that's completely broken.
yeah, well, we're in cold weather, and this is the first time I've had an arm snap like this, but we're in cold weather, and you could hear it. It just snapped like a twig. So I'm actually running some M2C shock shafts. Can you hold this? Running M2C shock shafts. Looks like that's all fine. Rod end's good. It's just the arm, and you know, it's cold weather. He took a tumble. Looks like we also cracked the rod end up there. I think it's just the end itself. I don't think it's the turnbuckle. So we got a little bit of carnage. Not a surprise in cold weather, but I had a couple really good launches. Who knows, maybe I started the cracking at that point. So all right, we're gonna shut this one down, and then we're gonna run a little bit more with the other one.